Stop wasting hours manually checking competitor prices or copying and pasting data into your spreadsheets. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a completely hands-off system that monitors the web for you. We're using Decodo to bridge the gap between the internet and your favorite tools, creating a professional AI workflow automation that runs around the clock without you having to lift a finger. Let's get stuck in. The power of Decodo lies in its ability to work within the tools you already use, like NA8 or LangChain. This lets you build complex AI workflow automation that triggers based on changes on the web without having to write a single line of custom scraping code. Here, we've logged into Decodo. We're going to copy our basic authentication token and then paste it into our nan.cloud dashboard. And as we can see, it says connection tested successfully. Now we can use it to start scraping. So what we can do here is simply type in our URL. This is a Walmart link for Apple AirPod Pros. We can select the geolocation or type it in. So here we've got USA. Then we can choose between fixed or expression. Next, we press go and let the output start working. Here we can see it's come back with the result we were after, and now we have all the metadata for that specific page. We can view this as a schema, table, or JSON file. This is brilliant for accessibility and transferring it to whichever app we need. We can also edit the output if we want, but overall I'd say this works brilliantly. Now the point is that we could set this to run all the time or daily to get updates from various different sites and links. Here we can go to our dashboard and see the success rate of certain automations, as well as other stats like average response time and success rate too. When you're running hundreds of requests, you can't afford to have your IP flagged or your scrapers blocked. Decodo takes care of the tricky bits like header management and retries automatically. They were even ranked second in Proxyway's independent 2025 web scraping API benchmark. Here we can see our usage statistics and also our pricing. So at the moment we're on the free plan, but we can see there are loads of options depending on the size of our company. So this is basically cost-effective scaling with predictable pricing. Scaling an AI workflow automation shouldn't cost a fortune. Decodo offers a free plan with 2,000 requests for a whole year, no credit card needed, and their paid plans are based on actual usage, so you only pay for advanced features like JS rendering when you really need them. At any time, we can click the upgrade button. Here we can see there are loads of payment options available, and just like any checkout page, we simply go ahead and make the purchase. On the left-hand side, we can see we've got access to everything, including our web scraping API integrations, video downloader, and there's even an AI parser there. You can set up this whole monitoring system for free right now. Click the link in the description to claim your 2,000 free requests from Decodo. No credit card needed, and use my code at checkout for 10% off your first paid plan. That's all for me. I'll see you all in the next video.